Alright guys, today I'll bring you a glass water bottle. Here's what comes in the box. It's a very cool water bottle. They have called with an extra straw, a straw cleaner with it. And then we got the nice water bottle. I got the green one. They sent me the green one, which I like. If you can see here, it's I don't know if I'm gonna say it right, but borosilicate glass. So it's very strong glass. It has comes with a straw already, so you have an extra one. So it's a wide mouth. This is rubber, so it protects the glass bottle, and it has. If you are one of those people that tracks your water intake, it starts at 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. So you can track your water intake, and then it's 700 milliliters up here, and then down here is to 100. So from 700 to 100, and then from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. to drink all your water. Definitely very well made. I like it that it's glass. You can see what you have inside. This is a quick release button. It has a lock button, so once you hit this button and it's locked, there's nothing you can do to open it. It's locked. Once you unlock it, just press the button. Now you have the two-in-one. If you like to sip your water, it has a little hole here that your straw is connected to. Or if you are like me, to like just gulp the water, you have a big mouth here that you can just drink the water fast. They're very convenient too. It's slip resistant. Of this, so it's a full circle you can just grab and it's not gonna slip out of your hands. When you're not using it, you can just click it in and it's not on your way anymore. And it doesn't interfere. And it doesn't interfere with you opening the bottle. It will go with the lid. But if not, then you can just do the same thing. So that's pretty cool. It's anti-leak. Has anti-leak technology, so you can rest assured your liquid, whatever you have in here, is not gonna be. It's not gonna leak. With the lock, you know that it's not gonna open, so you are fully protected 365 days a year. It's because it's glass. You can put hot or cold liquids in here. So if you're looking for a bottle that is greatly priced, greatly made, two in one, has a handle, it's locked, anti leak, there's your bottle. Go check the reviews, see how much people are loving it. Get yours. Don't wait. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.